Okay, part 2, intentions and goals. So what are your goals and what are your intentions behind those goals? Do you have any goals? Do you need to pause for a moment and think about what your goals might be over the next month, 3 months, 6 months, year, 5 years, 10 years? Where do you want to be in 20 years? Do you want to be on this planet of ours? Is the intention to help to make the planet a better place? And we can do that by serving ourselves, making ourselves, the best version we can possibly be, so that moving forwards, we move forward with integrity and love and peace in our hearts. See, I'm diverging again, but anyway. Okay, so this is about intentions and goals. So just close your eyes for a moment and find just 3 goals, short to medium term, somewhere between the next week to 3 months. Okay, so give yourself a couple of goals. So firstly, let's just check that amygdala in relation to goals in general. Okay, so first thing coming up is fear, threat, danger. So what is the danger of having goals? It might be failure, fear of failure. It might be fear of success. They often show up hand in hand. What does it mean if you actually achieve your goals? Sometimes it means there's a bit of extra work in your life, or a bit of extra love or happiness or success. Sometimes we don't know what to do with that. So I release any and all fear of success. I release any and all fear of failure. I choose to face my goals with open arms. I choose to create goals in my life so that I can be happier, healthier, wealthier and wiser. I choose goals that serve my highest self. I choose goals that allow me to be of service on this planet of ours. I choose goals that allow me to move forward with intention and integrity and peace. The amygdala again. Okay, pain and punishment. Okay, so sometimes when we have goals and we haven't achieved them, we punish ourselves. We feel bad, we feel ashamed, we feel guilty, we feel angry, we feel frustrated, we feel fearful of trying again. So old pain and punishment circuitry in relation to our goals does not help us move forward. It does not help us move forward. So, let's have a look. I release old painful patterns in relation to setting goals. I release old punishment circuits in relation to setting goals. I choose to move forward with vibrancy and excitement towards my goals. I am happy, I am healthy, I am free. We are happy, we are healthy, we are free. Okay, escape, submission, freeze. So now the brain wants to escape. So once again, what is it? Oh, freeze, and I'm sort of thinking about some of the goals I've had over the last few years, and I feel like that roadblock comes up in front of me. And when that roadblock hits, I can't move forward, I can't make another decision. And one of my things is technology. I'm a bit of a technophobe. And because maybe in the last 2 years I've tried about 10 different things to move forward with my technology, and I hit a roadblock all the time. So just this morning I've made a 2-hour coaching appointment with the lady who runs the business meetings, and she's done everything I want to do over the last 2 years. So I want to do everything she's doing, so I'm going to go and learn how. So I'm paying my money to put my mouth where my money's going to be, where my mouth is, my mouth where my money is, you know what I mean. So we need to get rid of that freeze, just move forward, make a decision, do something. So. I choose to move forward with intention. I choose to move forward and learn what I need to learn to gain my goals. I intend to achieve my goals. I will feel happy and vibrant when I achieve my goals. I choose to get out of my rut in relation to achieving my goals. Okay. Emotional stress release points, these little guys up here, they help to bring blood to the frontal cortex and allow us to find solutions. I easily find solutions to the barriers holding me back. I easily find solutions to help me feel better during my days. I easily find solutions when I am looking. I easily find solutions when I ask the right questions. I am happy, I am healthy, I am free. We are happy, we are healthy, we are free. We move forward with peace, with integrity, with love. Okay, intention. Okay. I trust my brain to move forward with intention. I trust myself to move forward with intention. That's like a pleasure reward, right? So, being of the Catholic nature, guilt's one of my things. So it was funny when we were chatting about intention in the group this morning, and they were saying, oh, what do you feel about intention? And people were saying all these positive things. And my answer was, I feel guilty when I think about intention because I know how many things I've intended to do that I have not achieved. And I blame it on the fact that it's been such a stressful 2 years. But when it comes down to it, and I have been on a huge learning curve, as many, many of us have been, with all the shenanigans. So guilt was my thing. So I release any and all guilt that inhibits my trust in myself. I release any and all guilt that stops me from believing in myself. I release any and all guilt that stops me from achieving my goals. I release any and all shame that drives that guilt. I release any and all shame that stops me from moving forwards. I release any and all shame from these cells in my body. Sun. Moving through our day with gratitude and peace in our hearts, confidence in our solar plexus, Just for a moment, hand on the back of the head, that's where our survival patterns live. Hand on the frontal cortex. And just allow the energy to travel from the survival in the rear of the brain to the frontal cortex where we create solutions. I choose to move past my survival patterns. I choose to move forward with grace and ease and trust. I choose to move forward living my best life. I choose to move forward with integrity. I choose my intentions on a daily basis. I choose the goals I wish to achieve. I am happy, I am healthy, I am free. I am happy, I am healthy, I am free. We are happy, we are healthy, we are free. Okay, little beautiful people. That's all I've got time for. Move forward with your intentions and goals. Let me know if you've got some down. Just write down the 3 major intentions, the 3 major goals, and start moving forward. Take care, beautiful ones. Love you. Bye.